Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is Sunday. So first thing first, here I'm having my breakfast, which is simple roti and green tea. I usually avoid having sugar. So it's Sunday, so I wanted to eat something special. So I decided to make momo. Of course, the healthy one, which is made of atta. It was really delicious. You should also try. And then I went to watch Three, which was comedy and horror, so it was nice. And then after that, look at the weather. Just look at the weather, guys. So beautiful it is looking. It was windy and it was about to rain, so I was capturing the clouds. I really love this kind of weather, so I was enjoying my ride. And after that, I saw a lot of birds, and here I'm trying to capture the birds chirping, but I really failed in it. So okay, then I came back home, and after that I again had my green tea and with this rice cake. This rice cake is really delicious, you should really try it. And here I had to complete this TLM at this time because of the training. Look at this, I had to do all of these things. Okay, no worry. So but this training is really killing me. So this is our training session going on. So yeah, that was it. Do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.